No kaipolei man e manuku uhoa ea no maika lahe Kaipolei Manu is a song composed by Queen Kapi'olani. It was also her way of describing her sweetheart of the sacred bird feathers, her royal, beloved one, her husband, her king, Kalakaua. And here's a song we'd like to share out of. It's a modern composition. We think it captures the essence of the love, devotion that these two whirlwinds shared at one time. Oh, my love, my darling, I hunger for your touch along lonely time. Time goes by so slowly, yet time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Lonely lovers sigh, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home. Wait for me. Eo kulei, aloha kulei, makamai, meha meha, no vau. E kohe ka pumu ole hoi mai e hoi mai. I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. To me. To me. To me.